Hey guys, so we're back at my channel and we are playing this game. I forgot this game, but it's my favorite game, so we're playing it. It's my favorite tower, kind of my favorite tower. So yeah, I already have a favorite tower, and it's Tower of the Dread, I think, right? Yeah, I think it's Tower of the Dread. Yeah, that's my favorite one. I just don't know really how to say, but that's my favorite. Yeah. So yeah, and you are I know you're gonna ask if I have Roblox. Well, I should get every single week, so I am gonna get Robux, and I do have Robux. So yeah, but I'm not wasting it. So yeah. And if you love my channel, I'm gonna do a video. Ask my mom, she can buy the one that costs $20 and waste it all on you guys, my fans, if you like my videos. And we can do this channel that we if you want to, that you are gonna ask whatever you touch, I'm gonna buy it to you. So I have to get a lot of things. But if you want, if you don't want, okay, sure. So, I died, but not today or days. But comment down below when you want to do it. Okay. So we're going to get up here. Okay. Okay, I love this song, I think, right? Yeah, I love it. Okay. Yes. Okay, so yeah. Oh, I fell or I died. I don't know, but whatever. I'm just not gonna zoom in anymore because I'm scared by zooming. Whatever, I'm gonna zoom in. Who cares? Oh, I died again. Well, let's not play this actually. So should we play I don't really know what to play, but we can watch a YouTube. We can watch YouTube because yeah. OMG. What should we watch? Watch this.
Guys, today is Bubble's birthday. Well, 1 week birthday. But I kind of spoil my pets in 1 week birthdays, 6 month half birthdays, same thing, right? You gotta have fun. So today I told Bubbles that we would go shop.
Okay.
Excuse me, Lamp. You want to fight? Silly Lamp keeps getting in my way. I told her I would buy her everything that she touches at the pet store because I know there's a few new pets there. Wait, let me see the Adopt Me update list. Neon Pets and Pet Toy update. New Neon Pets, a ton of new pet toys found in the pet shop. And a new cave has appeared. Oh my gosh.
Well, guys, I did yeah. This is all the videos I'm gonna do today. I did a lot. So yeah, goodbye. Maybe nighttime, but bye.